Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to locate the Pages application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Pages application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad and search for the Pages application. Open up the Pages application. So that's number 1, how to open up the Pages application. Click on Create. Let's now quit Pages. Now let's go all the way onto the dock again. Go to Finder, go to Applications. Let's change the view to all applications and let's search for Pages. There we have the Pages application on screen. We can right click, open, and this will open up the Pages application. Click on Create to choose a template. Quit Pages, quit Finder. Now let's go all the way onto the dock. And there we have Pages within the dock. Click on Pages, click on Create a blank template. And so that's 3 ways how to locate and access the Pages application on a Mac computer. We can now quit Pages. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.